outstanding clinicians leading the way. Mr. Bob Methward was the band director at Northview High School for 41 years. During that time, highly successful in the marching band concert area. Marching band is state finalist 39 times and won state finals 10 times. So amazing, amazing work there. Works with a number of drum corps as well. Our other clinician is Dr. Michael Ossup, who is the assistant professor of music education at the University of Louisville. And again, tremendous educational experience and certainly a drum corps experience as well. So your students have been in phenomenal hands. So I'm going to hand things over to Bob and to Michael. Please welcome your section leader clinic.
Hello, happy to be here. The Section Leader Clinic focuses on having a band but teaching leadership at the same time. And we want to send the kids home. Our little goal is that we send the kids home and they're all the MVP of their band at home. Not just how they play, not just how they march, but that they're now an inspiration to the other kids in the band. And they know how to help their band director and they know how to help the other kids in their section. And they're better human beings for having spent about 50 some hours with us. We've learned a drill they're going to perform, which starts out with basics and then continues to add skills to the last 2 pages of the most difficult skills. We've learned a song we'll play for you. We've done leadership classes. We've watched a couple of videos of some inspirational things. Michael's taught some dance movement and some body movement. So we've had a jam-packed 2.5 days. We had a great time, great kids, a lot of fun. That you should, when you get home, mom and dad, they should have stickers. Some of them are, we call them stupid stickers because we try to emphasize the fact that trophies really don't matter. So instead of giving anything big, we give stupid Avery stickers that cost us $4 for 1,000.
You ready, buddy? Yep. Okay. Hit it.
And set.
Music is on.